Welcome back! Hilarious jokes to lift your holiday spirits. If these do not make you laugh, we hope they will at least bring you a smile. Hello, my name is Riley. Say hello to Morgan. Morgan will help me present this video in rapid fire style. Are you ready?
Give me that.
What do you call an elf who sings? A rapper. Why did the snowman call his dog Frost? Because Frost bites. Why was the Christmas tree so bad at knitting? Because it kept dropping its needles. What did one snowflake say to the other? You're one in a million. What do you call a snowman with a six-pack? An abdominal snowman. Why did Santa's helper see the therapist? Because he had low elf esteem. What do you call a reindeer that tells jokes? A comedy deer. Why did Santa go to music school? To improve his rapping skills. Why did the New Year's Eve party go to jail? They got caught counting down. What do you call a group of musical whales? An orchestra. They really know how to make waves at parties. What's the best thing about Switzerland? I don't know, but the flag is a big plus. Why did the doctor carry a red pen? In case they needed to draw blood. Why did the doctor tell the patient to bring a pencil to the checkup? Because they needed a right opinion. How do you know if a doctor is an optimist? They prescribe placebos with a smile. What did the doctor say to the patient who was afraid of getting weighed? Don't worry, it's not the end of the scale. Why did the astronaut break up with his girlfriend? He needed space. What did Mars say to Saturn? Give me a ring sometime. How do you know when the moon is going broke? It's down to its last quarter. What do aliens like to eat on their toast? Space Jam. Why did the cow go to outer space? To see the moon. What's an alien's favorite place on a computer? The space bar.
Yes. Yeah.
What do you call a bear with no teeth? A gummy bear. Why do fish always know how much they weigh? Because they have their own scales. What do you call a sleeping bull? A bulldozer. Why don't tourists ever get lost? Because they always take a wrong turn to the nearest souvenir shop. How do you know if someone is a tourist? Don't worry, they'll tell you. How can you tell if a tourist is on a tight budget? They'll ask if the admission fee includes a free souvenir. And there you have it. We hope this video made you laugh, or at least smile. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Thank you for visiting our channel. Don't forget to visit our online merchandise shops. The link is in the channel description. Remember, learn something every day. Please check out our other videos. We will see you in the next one.